Let's learn the trick on how you can hide your Instagram chats or Instagram messages without deleting them. So the process is pretty simple, and it will work for both iPhone and Android. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. Without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first thing that we will do is to open the Instagram app and make sure that your app is fully updated to the latest version. In order to be able to hide your messages, you will have to switch your Instagram account to a professional account type. If you have a personal account like I do, then I'll show you how you can easily switch to a professional Instagram account in just a few easy steps. Go over to your Instagram profile page, then tap on the 3 lines at the top right. This will open the settings and privacy section in the app. And our job is to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see this option called Account Type and Tool. So we will click on this, and after that, you want to tap on this Switch to Professional Account option at the very top. From here, you want to follow the on-screen instructions and just select either a business or creator Instagram account. It really doesn't matter. Also, select any category from the list. You can select that you're a gamer, a blog, a digital creator, and so on. I'll select the digital creator category, and I will then finish setting this up. When you successfully switch to a professional Instagram account, you will see this professional dashboard section below your description, and that will allow you to view your profile analytics and many more things. But that's for another video. Let's hide our Instagram messages. If I go over to my Instagram DMs, you can see that we have 2 or 3 new sections at the top of our Instagram DMs, and those are the primary and general sections. Let's say I want to hide the first 3 chats from my Instagram DMs, but I don't want these messages deleted. I just want to hide them for a certain period. All you have to do is to swipe over that conversation from the right to the left side until you see these options. Click on this little folder icon with the arrow, and that will hide our messages and move them to the general section. It won't delete any of your messages, so don't worry about that. But if you have an older version of Instagram, then you may see an option that's called General. Just tap on that button and that's it. You can see that we don't see the first 3 conversations anymore when we open our DMs on Instagram. But what if you want to unhide the chats and get them back? That's also easy. Just tap on the General section, then swipe one more time on that conversation, and click on the little folder icon one more time. But for older versions of Instagram, it should have a primary button, which you will click on. That will unhide our chats and get them back to the primary section. But that's essentially how you can hide your Instagram chats without deleting them. If you need more similar Instagram tutorial videos like this one, please consider leaving a like on this video and check out the playlist from the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.